On any given day, the deer are cared for through a strict process, from the herbs in their diet to each sleep in the quiet farm. What they seek is not meat nor skin, but velvet antler, the soft gold of Eastern medicine. Deer farming is an industry focused on obtaining antlers and meat, with millions of deer raised across the country annually to supply traditional medicine and gourmet cuisine. Join me to discover the strange journey of velvet gold, from the farms to today's laboratories in this video. The farmers start their work by rolling wheat straw into round bales, which serves as an important source of roughage in the deer's diet. The straw is then brought into the pens and evenly distributed into each feeding trough. This ensures each deer gets its share of natural fiber, which helps support digestion. During the antler velvet harvesting process, mature deer are gently guided from the grazing pasture into a specialized harvesting pen. The harvesting pen is specially designed with a narrow space, just enough to keep the deer still, minimizing movement and panic reactions throughout the handling process. Once completely dry, the antlers are fed into a system that grinds them into a fine powder. This powder can then be used directly or further processed into various product forms, such as tablets, capsules, liquid extracts, or tonics. Medicated wine isn't just a drink. It's a wondrous combination where wine acts as the guide and medicine provides the essence. In addition to the use of deer antlers, deer meat is also a highly sought-after product in the Chinese market. The processing of deer meat begins with the slaughter, which is carried out under strict control to ensure hygiene and meat quality. Additionally, deer antler velvet baths are a traditional therapy sought by many, believed to offer significant health and beauty benefits. This therapy has also gained global recognition, utilizing extracts from deer antler velvet or even fresh deer antler velvet. And so, we've reached the end of our journey exploring Sika deer farming, understanding how tradition and modern technology are combined to optimize both yield and quality. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to our next adventure together. You may be quite familiar with the image of flocks of chickens cramped in small cages, but today, Noal Farm will introduce you to a completely different farming model. This is a free-range chicken model, where the chickens are uniquely bred and raised in an open environment close to nature. With this type of farming model, millions of delicious eggs are produced each year, along with chicken meat that offers a higher quality and better flavor compared to traditional farming methods. Join me in exploring this unique farm, from free-range farming to egg collection and the chicken processing industry. Fertilized eggs, carefully selected to be clean and spotless, are then placed into an automatic egg sorting system. This machine uses a vacuum suction mechanism to gently lift each egg and place it onto the incubation tray with precision and consistency. After hatching, workers sort the chicks by gender, either by examining their genitalia or wing feathers, and separate the males and females into appropriate pens. The chicks are then moved to a clean, well-ventilated environment with stable temperature and suitable natural light to ensure their health and early development. Chickens in the free-range model are housed in specially designed shelters that allow them to roam outside in search of natural food like insects, young grass, and seeds. However, free-ranging also comes with several challenges in terms of biosecurity management. Laying hens can easily come into contact with wild animals such as birds and mice, which may carry harmful pathogens. After being transferred to the collection area, the eggs are sent through an automatic washing system. Modern machinery ensures the eggshells are gently cleaned without cracking, while thoroughly removing dirt and bacteria. Following the farming and harvesting process, all operations at the chicken processing plant are carried out in a closed system, ensuring the highest standards of food hygiene and safety. The chickens are hung on automatic hooks and dipped into hot water to soften their skin, making the feather removal process easier. To facilitate hygienic and efficient removal of internal organs, the chickens pass through machines designed to cut off the crop and vent. These machines typically use sharp blades controlled with precision to perform the task without damaging other parts of the chicken. Eggs from free-range chickens are not only rich in nutrients, but also a familiar ingredient in many delicious everyday dishes, such as boiled eggs, sunny-side-up eggs, or egg tarts. Through the free-range chicken farming model, we not only witness the nutritional value, but also feel the respect for nature and the move towards sustainable agriculture. See you again on our next journeys.